the nice thing about the Isokaze is that it's got really long-range torpedoes.
Battle starts.
Like, oh no, they don't. 5.6. I thought it had a longer range. But I want to get out there and kind of spot and see what's going on. I mean, the other option would be the other islands, but I don't want to go over there. And maybe, you know what, Danno, I think I'm changing. I'm gonna go straight ahead to those little islands, because the rest of our team is kind of heading that way too. This ship is interesting because it's got 6 torpedoes, but they fire like in 3 sets. Yeah. So I fire like torpedo, torpedo, torpedo. I've got the Navy next to me. So did the boys have fun at encampment?
Yeah, they did. They got to see my buddy Eric Tank go down there.
Oh, that's cool. Was he still like in the service? Like somebody you met in the service,
he's in the
or?
Air Force, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
A reserve, but he got to visit him.
That's cool. Is he still? He's still in? Obviously.
Reserves, yeah.
Reserves, yeah.
I actually got to fly in a refueler and watch a refueling mission.
That's what Jeff said. They were in a, was it KC-135?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Oh, they saw it refuel?
They were in it.
While it was refueling? Oh, that's so cool.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
The Clemson's spotted. I'm going to go the other way. Can launch 2 this way. I'll launch 2 that way.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
I'm not detected yet, so... The Yubari's a little bit out of my range, but... Yes. I think those torps will make him change direction, but... Yeah, we'll do. You made a pencil machine? A pencil machine? Let's... Oh, yeah. John's playing Bad Piggies. John, that is so funny.
I'm playing Bad Piggies.
That's cool.
I don't think my torps will reach. No, he's going further away, so there's no chance of that happening. Well, oh man. Yeah, focus on that destroyer first, probably. But the battleships are focusing on you, so you might want to turn and start heading back. These guys are all too far for me to fire on. Geez, I wish I had better range torpedoes. I'm going to hit that island. It's probably going to be too close to the island. Well, let's see. If they keep heading straight on, there's a slight chance that they'll reach him, but probably not a good one. But this will make him a little frightened. Firing at the Wyoming. Wyoming's a little closer. I might be able to get some hits on the Wyoming. Did you get killed?
Nope.
Just get out of there if you can. There's like way too many ships for us. They're going to tear you up, man. Like, I would turn away and just start running away. Don't even bother. You're the only big ship here. Our battleships are just hanging in the back. I'm not sure what they're doing. Yeah, rats.
Were you sinking?
He said, "You sinking?" I'm going to be spotted in a minute here. I'm going to try to get some torps on this Wyoming.
Next time you play that, don't blow.
No?
6.3, 6.2. It's possible. He's at the very edge of my range, but we'll see what happens. I'm still not detected, but he's moving into my detectability, so I should be spotted in a sec. Though this, this commander may not have that yet. Yeah, I'm spotted, definitely. So I'm getting out of here. How can I have a captain that doesn't have detected on it? I might get that dude. It's looking good. Oh, yeah. Big damage. Big damage. So long. Sailed right into that one. Yeah. I'm going to get out of here, though. I don't know why I'm not getting... But these guys must be all sleeping or something. Like, what's going on here? Let's see. 3. I need to target this dude. He's unfortunately a pretty fast mover. Just guesstimating. I'm probably spotted again. We're going to lose. We've lost so many ships. I don't know. If this guy doesn't move, I'm not going to hit anything. He seems to be staying put right there. Okay, now he's going to start sailing. Too late. Boom. Goodbye. Oh, so close. Yeah.
Nice.
Yep. All right. I didn't get the kill, but yeah, these guys are shooting at me now. All right. We need to light this guy up and help our Jivni out. Come on, dude. This is gonna. I'm gonna get spotted though. Here's the problem. The Nicholas kind of sucks. Shoot, he disappeared. Oh, nice. Good shot. Good kill. Alright, so we're gonna... The Myogi's my next target. Unfortunately, once again... Hopefully I'll have smoke back by the time I get in range of this dude. He's sailing backwards. And he's firing HE. What a dork. Yeah, he deserves to die. Unfortunately, the Yubari is screening him. 7-9, 7-8. How's he reversing direction yet? Yeah, smoke just changed. Look at that. Okay, so 7-1. I gotta get two. Unfortunately, I'm spotted at this point. There's no way that Yubari does not have me sighted. Yep, so I'm gonna have to let go here. Switch off the targeting computer. Ah, good hits. Unfortunately, I don't have smoke to get away. Nice, right. 2 like perfect shots in a row. Well, unfortunately, I'm on fire, and I got 50 seconds until the fire goes out, so I'm pretty doomed. Yeah, I'm screwed. I'm probably going to sink. Hopefully those torps get the Yubari. I don't think they're going to. I think they're already down. But I could fire on the Yubari now, and he's close enough. Come on, target him. Come on, 14 seconds. I think I'm going to survive at least till I get my refill.
I think I'm going to get to the finish line.
Come on. Come on, come on, put the fire out.
I think
Okay, good, we got the fire out. Oh, and the Yubari just went down. We got a Clemson moving in close.
Good.
Somebody sank the Yubari. I don't know how the Yubari sank, but I'm going to go after the Myogi. Well, we could tie this up, man. I'm detected now. And I missed. No carriers on this battle. Clemson's turned around.
I'm fine.
He's not doing good, so that's good. I think he might have slowed. I think I let him too much. Yeah, they got him. Okay. I gotta really watch. I got smoke and power here. The downside is I'm going to be trapped between all these battleships. Hopefully those guys see that Phoenix. 7-4. He's not close enough. The other Wyoming is turning. Is the Congo turning? The Congo's going to change direction, so we got to watch. I think he's going to be right there. They're too far. Let's switch targets. I don't think I'm going to reach him, but I wish I had just a little bit more range. I have to get into... The problem is, see that white line on the map there, Danny?
Yeah.
That's your detection. So when you go in, when this ship gets inside that, I'm detected. Unfortunately, my torpedo range is shorter than my detection range, so I have to actually go into the danger zone and be spotted for me to get torpedoes off. But these look like they might hit.
Ooh, just
Wow. Nope, they didn't. The range is too short. He's got to be panicking, though, right now.
You would have nailed one of them.
Yep, I got 2 seconds till I get more torps. I'm going to have to just get into the zone here, which sucks. I hear that thing going. I bought a foot massager at Aldi's. Danno's taking advantage of it. Is he looking at me? Where's he looking?
Enemy battleship detected.
Crap, these guys are running away. He's in range. Is he looking my way?
His guns are right at you.
Yeah.
There goes the ball.
Oh, good hit. But that's okay. That's his only shot. So now I'm going to... Oh, the Myogi got me. Dang it. Man, that was so close. Look at that, dude. Brought in some serious moolah on that one. Almost 200,000.
I broke it, Dad.
Devastating strike.
I broke it.
Broke what?
My sister.
Oh, no. We've got 2 Isuzuchis on our team. We're skunked, man. Oh, they got 1 on theirs. And a Myogi. Honestly, I'd rather be in this ship than the Myogi.
General quarters.
But it's really soft.
Good luck, everyone.
I guess I'm going to screen right. Is that you heading right, Danno? I'll go with you, but I guess got to be careful that we leave ourselves enough room to turn. The nice thing about this ship is that it's pretty fast moving. Like it's a quick battleship. It's a heavy cruiser, what they call it. So it kind of defies
Enemy
definition.
sighted on the horizon.
I'm detected already. Hooray! I'm going to stay angled here. There's Izuchi. Yeah, that's fine. We can start circling. This is really close in. A lot closer than I'd like.
Only going 3/4 speed right now.
There's the Karlsruhe. I think I'm going to hit him, but... Yeah, I'm going to turn around. Especially after seeing all that. If I can get turned without hitting the white line. Come on, ship, turn. St. Louis, if you can target that guy, he's a pain in the butt because he can catch things on fire, but nice. Somebody got a good hit on him. Is he running away or coming at? He's shooting at me. I don't think he can hit me, but maybe. I mean, I guess so. We'll see how that gut does. I still got some turrets coming around.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
I like the ship better than the Myogi simply because you have a much better chance of actually hitting something. Unfortunately, I'm right on the edge here. What? What did you do?
A gray cat died.
A gray cat died.
A koi cat died.
What?
Yeah. He's in the fish tank.
Oh, we'll get him out. Tell Mark to get him out. Dang it. Yeah, we should have cleaned the tank yesterday, I guess.
Enemy cruiser detected. Enemy battleship sighted.
I'm just not getting anybody in range here. Our South Carolina's getting pretty aggressive there. Those guys are. I'm gonna move out with these guys. I'm gonna hang with the Myogi and the South Carolina, Danno. Oh, you're up there too. Yeah, watch that. Be careful with the St. Louis. He's got a lot of firepower.
Enemy destroyer sighted. Enemy cruiser sighted. Enemy cruiser detected.
Dang it! Everybody's just staying like right where I can't hit them. Got a cruiser cut in front of me.
Battleship sighted.
Okay, here he comes.
Enemy battleship detected.
No dice. All right, I'm gonna go for the Myogi. Nope, he's out of range. The Myogi's got better range than I do.
Detected. Thank you. Hang in there. Help is on the way.
Ooh, somebody got a nice torped on him. Bunch of torpedoes on him. Gone. All right. Oh shoot.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Islav.
Yeah, got one.
I think I let enough on that. Yeah, got some hits, but in the back.
Enemy cruiser.
It's changing direction. Got the Kawachi. He's out of range. How you doing, Danno?
I'm holding my own and I'm doing the plan that I should have done. Just kind of like be opportunistic, just go in there when I can.
That stinks. I can't believe that Quarry Cat died.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
I mean, I can believe it. It seems like he's been on his way out for a long time, but still it's sad.
Enemy battleship sighted.
I know. Well, she already told me. I know that the Quarry Cat died. Can't you guys get it out? You're down there.
Enemy battleship detected.
Ugh.
Enemy battleship sighted.
They're moving in a group there. South Carolina's getting pummeled. It's just out of range. I need to turn out of here. I'm broadside. Shoot, come on, steer. That's a...
The ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir.
Come on, get those guns in play, guys. Watch out, Dan. We need to get out of here because these guys are coming hard on us. Right on our heels. Why is this dude firing HE? It's really bizarre. Oh, Danno. Run.
Enemy battleship sighted.
This guy's not moving very fast. Hopefully we'll be able to get some good hits on that Kawachi. There we go. Good. Nice. Ooh, big hit. For this ship, anyway. No, Danno. I can see you have, like, no health left. Keep wiggling and get out of here. Run away. Oh, for crying out loud. Mountain hits. Pound the Kawachi. There's no even point even shooting the Wyoming because. Yes. I mean, if they're as long as they stay with you, sure. There's the Aurora. What else we got going on here? Got a Phoenix cruising on the outside. Yeah, the Phoenix. I'm going to turn and try to protect our carrier here. He should just be... Nope, he's still out of range. Is he shooting at you? Well, you did good. I mean, you had no health left, so he's a tier 5, you're a tier 4. You're not going to withstand the withering fire for long.
Grab some nuts if you want.
Some nuts.
It's going to be a close battle.
Mm-hmm. I agree. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to win or not.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Oh, come on. Where's this Phoenix? He's close. Wait, where am I? Why am I turning left? Oh, is he on the other side? Okay, I thought he was close here. He's actually on the other side of that island. Unfortunately, I shouldn't be out here by myself. No damage. Okay, this is bad. I'm by myself. Ugh. I'm not as scared of the Kawachi as I am the Phoenix. The Phoenix makes me nervous. What do we got left? They got 2 battleships left. So the Kawachi and the Phoenix are it. I'm sorry, the Kawachi and the Wyoming are it. He's out of range. He's moving too fast. I'll never hit him. But if I can get back in range of this Kawachi, maybe I'll take him out and... Ooh, somebody got a good hit on him. Nope, I can't hit that. Dang it, we keep losing people. They got to stop doing that.
They're smart, they're staying in bodies.
Yeah, I'm all by myself here, too. This is not good. The Kawachi's close, but he's on the wrong side of the island. Are we capturing their base, or are they capturing... Oh, it's a midpoint capture. Okay. There we go. Getting some hits on the Wyoming. He's slow, so he's... Free hits. Slowing down. Now, how come it's not stopping their cap, though? He is bad. Kamachi and the Carls. Ooh. No pens. Their Aurora's down.
Received. I'm on it.
Come on, what are you doing, guys? Why are you steering left? It's right into the island. I don't know. I don't know if I have the firepower to finish these guys off before they cap. Hit the mountain. That was stupid. Angle away. He's firing HE for some reason. Come on. Give me the rudder shift here. Oh.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, little off there. I need a... He's going slower than I'm calculating here. Ooh, we got 5 minutes to finish this up, and they're winning heavy. See how much better the aim on the ship is, though? Like, I'm hitting everything that I'm firing. Gotta watch that broadside. He's firing HE, so I guess it doesn't really matter.
The ship is on fire.
Come on, tear him up. Cruiser in front of me. Shoot. Everybody else is dead? What?
Assault, sir. Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Yep.
Main turret critically damaged.
The Phoenix is going to come back to haunt me. Oh, well. You know what? I'm going to have to change fire onto the Phoenix. Yep, we lost. Oh well, I did what I... Yep. Batting 0 tonight, once again. Yeah, this might be my last one, too. My eyeballs are done.
That's a big weakness of this ship. No AA.
Which one is that?
The Arkansas.
Oh. I can't type. I don't understand that. Why people who would have no clue how to play the ship are jumping into public matches. Like that's what the bot battles are for. So you can learn how to use the ship. You know.
Yep. Aiming, learning how to aim is a lot of it.
What?
How to guess how fast a ship is going and that kind of thing. For me, it's somewhat instinctual. All those years with weaponry. But the way you do it, Blue, should help you learn how to do it.
Yeah.
I don't use those lines really. I just spot by eye.
Wait, what lines? The
The little numbered lines that you keep talking about, 7, 8, that kind of thing. In the sniper's reticle, gunner's reticle. The white lines you keep using.
it helps a little bit if they're going full speed, but if they're not, then it doesn't help at all. What's up, P?
Hi, Daddy.
Yes?
Mason's to ask you if he can come.
Yeah, that's fine. The house is clean, right? Oh, give him back that movie, too. Tell Ryan to get that movie for him. We still have to return Mad Max. Oh, I forgot. Aircraft, airborne.
Spotter airborne. Enemy cruiser detected. Enemy battleship sighted.
And we have the Suicide Squad up the middle. That tells you who was on our team today.
Yeah. What on earth?
And not the good Suicide Squad from DC Comics.
Oh. That's right. I'm shooting into the mountains. Don't worry about it.
Enemy destroyer sighted. Enemy battleship.
You're getting a bit far out there, Blue.
I know. The Congo's the only thing over here, though. And he's looking the other way. Try to let this do.
Well, he's way outside my range.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Let a little too much as usual.
Enemy aircraft carrier detected. Enemy aircraft carrier sighted.
Whoa, all kinds of aircraft carriers sighted. The downside with that spotter plane on this ship is that by the time I load 2 salvos, it's already over. Okay, I need to turn out of here so this guy's in my range. In my regular range.
Did you turn on the expanded name listings?
Yes, I did.
That's good.
Oh, shoes and socks. Oh, the Congo's looking right at me. I'm detected.
Is that a Wisconsin or Michigan thing?
No.
Like cheese and sprinkles?
Yeah, I don't know where I heard that, actually. Probably somewhere on YouTube. Uh-oh. Somehow I bashed into the side. I led that guy way too much, but it looks like I'm going to hit. Oh, yeah. 10, huh? Wow. Ah! He missed. Somebody caught him on fire, too.
Enemy cruiser detected.
And we already lost a Congo and a cruiser.
Were those the guys that rushed the middle, or no?
Enemy destroyer
One of them.
sighted. Enemy battleship detected.
Bonk! Oh, landed one right on his stack. Yeah, didn't lead enough that time.
Enemy aircraft carrier detected.
Yeah, I needed to practice more.
Yeah, he has too much armor for me.
Enemy destroyer detected.
I think he's upset I hit him.
Who's this?
The ARP Kershaw, which is basically a Congo.
Tearing that Congo up at least. You
Now I got
guys-
a Wyoming. Firing HE.
This is not good, man. Jeez. Crap, I have to get my guns turned around here. And we'll get yelled at again. They'll be like, what were you doing over there? Just camping. No. We got their 2 top-tier battleships. Thanks. And then we're not... The only reason we're outnumbered is because the... Wow, dude. The Isokaze got a huge strike. Should we push around the corner? The only thing they got there is that
I
Congo,
don't
and he's
think I
running
can
away.
catch up to him to put him in my range.
Well, that's okay, though. We can at least, you know, keep pushing them so that they're panicking.
Attention, I need help.
Whoa, why am I in stop? What the heck? Great, that's good. I put my ship into full stop.
Requesting fire support.
Our CV's gonna get lost. We've lost this. This is unbelievable.
Yeah, CV's not paying any attention to what's going on outside of his little battle thing, just like an artillery piece.
Yeah. Does that con go in range? Yeah, just. Dang it, I hate taking this long. Come on.
And the Svetlana is about to done. Hey, watch where you're going. Danno, turn. Turn.
Left.
Turn.
Oh crap!
Stop eating or you're doing whatever you're doing. And pay attention to where you're going. I'm not going to ask what you're doing.
This is why I only play this like once a month.
Yeah, well, you're hitting more times than I'm hitting. Dang it. Oh, man. Well, their main force went the other way, but that's no excuse. We had
Our battleships went up the middle right in front of a Svetlana.
Yep.
And died.
Yep. It's idiots. Whoa, oh. Sorry, Danno. Rubbin's racing. Oh, good. I got a bunch of non-penetrating shots. That's great. Oh, yeah, that guy was sitting there.
I don't know. Hold on. Ask me later.
Later. Nice. Good hits.
Man, look at these things go all over the place.
There we go. Should hit right in the superstructure there. Boom. Good hits. Good job. Yeah, Mr. Mean. All right. Now, going after the boog. Great. And our oh my gosh, these people. Why do we even bother? Oh no! Danno, can you focus that destroyer? He's right in front of me, to my left. See that little guy? Start firing on him. He's got, you know he just made a torp run. Busy.
Fine, buddy. A little bit. I'll get you guys in a second.
Watch for Svetlana to your side.
Oh yeah, great. I don't think I'd let enough.
He's going backwards right now.
Okay. Oh, then I did.
Now he's shifting speed forwards.
The Svetlana is? Should I be targeting him instead? Or
If
should-
you can hit the carrier, go for
I'm
it.
hitting the boog.
Say no if you ask me.
I'll figure out.
Torpedoes to port.
Yep, here they come. Yeah, that should have known they were coming, but not a whole lot I can do about it. I mean, it's, you know,
Well, wait, maybe you can.
I'll dodge. I'll hit one. Didn't do too much damage. It wasn't so bad. Whoa, shifting. What the heck? Okay, whatever. Well, they
Watch
no.
out for the
This is
torpedoes,
it. Tell
Danno.
them they're getting ready to get going. So no. Tell them no bike.
One's got me.
Hey. Little evade.
See ya.
Oh, no, you survived.
Alright.
Oh, that's enough suck for one night.
These things are horrifically bad.
Well, I feel like with this ship, I can't do much of anything. I don't know. I mean, I can't blame the ship, but it's like, why do our guys keep dying? Is it our fault?
No, it's their blatant failure to actually play.
I just,
I wish there's a way to see how much damage they actually did.
doesn't tell us on the team's detail report of anybody, huh? Just shows you yours.
You know, it just shows how many experience points you get. It doesn't show how much damage you do.
Or they do, yeah. That sucks. I didn't do a whole lot. I only did 21,000 damage. I never do much in this ship, though. I'm really just looking forward to being past this thing. I'm hoping that, I don't know, I might just play it in bot battles.